Hi guys, welcome to another video of Minnie C. Now today we're going to do some makeup with all of these blushes. Mommy let me do more of her blushes and some of hers. Also I'm going to do mine too. We're going to do with my face thing first. If I can find it. This is the stuff that makes your makeup stick. And you need your primer and this to put on this blush. And then now I'm going to do is take this primer and drop little dots on the side of it. Screw it back on. And then rub it all in.
Me too. I see you when you stand up.
I can screw this all on. Now I need this blush and this. And squirt some on it. And push it all in. If you don't have enough, just get more. There we go, just like that. Skin looks farther. Now, wait. Now you need, and then you need some blush. If you don't know what blush is, this is blush. Is that upside down? Yeah. And you need some blush. And then take it, brush it all around, and
Use your mirror.
get some of this, and then make sure. Also, you guys can't see, but I have a boo-boo. Also, the makeup is covering it up. So yeah, don't worry about it if I cover it up because it's covering up and it's getting into my blood vessels.
All right, do the other side. There you go.
That's actually looking pretty good so far. And this is mine. It's you're probably wondering why. It's like, oh, it's just a box. It's not just any box. Look. Oh. Look at that. It's not just any box. You're probably wondering why it looks like it has a one story, but no, it's a free story. There we go. Also, I broke it once. Don't question that. Okay, I'm gonna do the perfect color that I like, which is this blue color. This beautiful blue color. I love this blue color. Sometimes they get on my eyebrows, but I don't care about that. It closes up just like that. It looks so funny. There you go. It's gonna be
Sit down.
really hard because I'm not that kind of person that open my eyes too much. I'm down to almost.
Go on. Read it.
Okay. I guess. Nope. Now you close this back up. The black classical little kind for little people too. Now we need that's cool. Now this one doesn't have a mirror, so it's gonna be a little tricky because I don't know where my eyebrows are. It can't help me. I don't know where my eyebrows are.
It's already here.
Now that I got my eyebrows, which I'm using the kids classic one, like the eyelashes.
Sit down.
Now this is next. I don't really know what this is for. This is for your lips, but I'm gonna do something. Put this on first. I'm putting this on first because now that that's done, now it smells like mellow yellow. Now I'm gonna do this. There we go. Now you need this, and now you need the big fat blush and the highlighter. Not the whitening highlighter, this highlighter. There we go. Now you use it. There we go. Now I'm going to put all the stuff back. Some of it is on the floor. This is all the makeup you need. And that's all the blushes you need too. So, hope you like and subscribe to this video. Hit that bell. Hit that subscribe, that like button. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.